What's up, Boss Tweezy? It's your boy, Dub Beezy, and I'm here with the manual drills for skills. We're going heels and toes today. Stage 1, we're going to be working on our balance on our toes and on our heels. Exercise 1, 1, 2, whoa. Okay, new location. Exercise 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm showing you to the side, but you can do it any way you want. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. You might be asking me, why am I doing the dribble if I'm working on my toe manual skills? First, you got to get good at knowing where your toes start and end. For example, right now, I have on smaller wheels than I usually use because these are my small outdoor jellies. Well, my plate's closer to the ground. So that means that the angle that I'm going to touch the ground on my toe spins and on my crazy leg and on my manuals is different. So I like to get reacquainted with where the ground is, even when it's just changing my wheels. I'm going to the other side just to,
Is it the shoes?
you know what I mean? You don't got to do everything exactly the way I do it. Exercise number 2, heel, heel, push, 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 push. I want to stay nice and relaxed in the arms, work on my face. 3, 2, 1, go. Drills for skills time is the perfect time to work on smiling while you are dancing. That is the one piece that we can forget, and it's ironically possibly the most important piece. We communicate so much emotion with our faces, so being able to do even simple moves and have a face is a big skill. Exercise number 3, heel, toe, in, out, in, left, back, in, 3, 2, 1, go. Right, back, in. I like to practice this because being able to pull in our hamstring muscles on both of our legs is just going to help us not hit splits every single time we try to hit the splits, if you know what I mean. It's also going to give us more balance inside of our toe and our heel maps. Ooh. It's exercises like this that really challenge me, even though I have quote-unquote muscles, because my hips and my hamstrings just get so weak. Let me know if you can relate. Part 2, we're working on our stability in place. Exercise number 1, feet together, out, in, 3, 2, 1, go. So this is a adjustment moment. It's actually slanted here, and it's a little bit more difficult to do it to the front. I can't do it to the front, but it's harder to do it and stay in place. So I want to encourage you to adjust to your environment. If you're finding it difficult to hit the turn in one direction because the ground may be uneven, I want to give you the prerogative to change your direction. One of the parts about skating that I love is the improvisational element. And you can improvise skating outside, or you can improvise while you're dancing. It's a little bit of both. Exercise number 2, we're going to do this with our heels to work on our heel stability. If you're newer, you can push out one and then come in on the other one and bring it down. And I always want you to understand that you can just put your toes down. 3, 2, 1, go. Heels. Ooh. 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 If you're outside on stones, make sure you're standing on one stone as opposed to having to roll your heels across multiple cracks, because if you have to roll your heels across multiple cracks, you might just fall. Oh. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it down. Heels are a little bit different than toes when it comes to balancing. Exercise number 3. We're gonna go for the splits. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm focusing on right arm, left leg, or left arm, right leg. Opposite lead arm and leg. 3, 2, 1, go. This is what Richard Humphrey calls the splits. These days, people call them the heel-toe manual. I like practicing my heel-toe manual so I can feel the balance in the center. So my hips are on top of my hamstrings or on top of my quads. I'm pointing out, I want my finger, I'm not on one break, look at me. I want my finger to come out through my big toe. Part 3, so we're gonna push out 2 times on our toes, and then we're gonna hold. Start off over here, push, push, hold, and then I'm gonna stop at my marker. When I come back, I wanna do it on the other side. 3, 2, 1, go. Push, push, hold. I'm nice and close. Push, push, hold. Push, push, hold. On one side, I'm leading with my left foot, and on the other side, I'm leading with my right foot. This is the basic pattern to move on your toes or on your heels. As long as you can balance and push off of them, honestly, because you're using some time to get some speed, and it can also be done from just a regular push on the ground into a hold. Exercise number 2, we're gonna push, push, hold on our heels. Push, push, hold. We can also push, push, hold. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Push, push, hold. Oh. Push, push, hold. My favorite push, push, hold is the heel, because this is where I feel the weakest. A lot of skating upright is having the heel in the back strength to support yourself while you're dancing. Skating on your heels is a good way to build that strength. Exercise number 3. We're gonna push, push, hold, and hold our splits. Push, push, hold. For that one, I'm leading with my right foot. This one, I'll lead with my left. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Push, push, hold. Push, push, hold. Push, push, hold. I'm doing these pushes on my feet, but you can do these on your heels and toes as well. And this is a maneuver I like to do. Just scrape my toe. I'm gonna blame the wheels, but I can't blame the wheels for my own lack of control. However, in my defense, these wheels are smaller than my normal wheels. That's why it's important to find out where your toes are. For the next part of the manual drills for skills, we're gonna be skating our patterns. Pattern number 1 is the S. We're gonna start on our toes. I wanna roll around this curve. 3, 2, 1, go. When I'm rolling around this, I want to choose a leg to roll around the curve with so that I can press it to that outside edge. And this helps me develop my balance. Exercise number 2, we're gonna take it to our heels. Push, push, you're gonna come around. For this one, it's super important to feel nice and even inside of the curve because you can get off balance so easily skating on your heels.
Go back.
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3.
Practice this. I have a 1, 2, 3. Something I realized watching myself as I was filming this is sometimes I have deadpan or weak looking arms. I want to push myself to be strong and commit to each move. A part of that is committing with my arms. So say maybe something like this, some more. That's a stiff walk. Number 3, we're gonna skate in 8. 1 on our toes. 3, 2, 1, go. First one on our toes. Next one on our heels. Wee! Did y'all see me almost lose it all?
Yeah.
Thanks. On our heels. Toes. Woo-wee! I think it's coming into the heel on that side. My hip might not be as strong. So when I'm hitting the corner, I'm spinning out, and then I have that extra little piece of incline. And that is the toe manual and heel manual drills for skills.